Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. Una go know say the matter dey really hot because wetin we dey discuss na issues wey dey for the front burner of Nigerian national issues. And the one we will carry come now, all the action tori wey we discuss for this week from Monday go reach Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. We talk about governors wey talk say even though they don submit their own form to the Code of Conduct Bureau, say they no go make am public because law no say make dem make am, even though Oga President don make him own public. We also discuss about the plan when we say we get for this our country. Sake of say our Oga President don dey travel out of Nigeria, go dey show different countries them the plan when he get for this country. Go dey look say how we go fit take repackage Nigeria, make Nigeria good. We also discuss the future of the youth for inside Nigerian government because e be like say as days dey pass, that future leaders of tomorrow, e be like say no dey happen. And yesterday when be Thursday, we can't discuss capital punishment for corrupt public officers. Say indeed, if we want pursue corruption come up for this country, the people when they thief our money, we get to put law when we say the thing go bring big punishment, whether not to buy them or to put them for prison for a long time and collect everything when they hold. Now una hand the day to discuss am. Nkubi, have you recovered from the make I not just talk the one when we say go come even come weaken you more?
Okay, good morning. Okay. Okay, from Calabar, good morning.
You see now?
Don't just...
No, you see now?
No, don't you see me now?
No, you see now?
Wait a minute, the meaning of that one now. See, Chukudi, you see I never react.
No, be matter of react.
I just look you since, just they look you.
The way when you take
I respect myself because the action with me and you play out yesterday, I don't like a stake end. That's why I just take my time because yourself, you know what you do and you know how to take the punishment from my hand. That's why I just look you. Oga Prince, good morning. No,
Okobe, good morning.
Good morning.
Chukudi, good morning.
Oga Prince, I dey hail you.
I want to come out for two matters.
Okay.
One, is the issue of our youth.
Okay.
I they talked yesterday, so all day first and my phone cut off.
Okay.
The problem of our youth these days is say our youth know they like to learn. That's the major problem we get. You can see as you did there and they do your job. Because you learn the thing well. That's why they do them very well. But you go see these days our youth know the greed to learn. Everybody wants things sharp. Everybody wants shortcut, to go to be anything. Do you understand me? So if we take time to learn, it will help us. You see, if you read one place in the Bible, 2 Chronicle, chapter 21, you go see one king, Jehoshaphat, when he died, his son went take over from him, a 32 years old. He's a youth. But because he did not learn from his father, the elder one, that is why he fell. At the end of the day, he did not do well. You see, that's the problem of our youth. So another thing I want to be saying that the fighting of declaration of assets.
Assets, yeah.
Do you understand me? Please, it's very, very good as our president and vice don't do so. I wish that every other people will follow suit. Do you understand me? See, it's not the issue of whether na APC or PDP, because the problem we get in this country.
No,
now all of them,
party, exactly.
Now all of them join, they do us many things. So make all of them, they declare their assets, so it goes better for us. You understand? So I will even want to make former president and former governor since 1999, make them come and declare their own assets also. Make we know how many refinery way they get before they enter office and how many way they get when they come out.
Oga Prince,
this one where you don't even open now, na new topic. And it be like say we go discuss am because we know one situation where we say people go open office on top of government, come they make plenty money. Meanwhile, Nigerians won't get that money, go they suffer.
We get Daniel. Daniel, they call us all the way from Ilorin. Good morning, Daniel.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Kubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Oga Daniel, I dey hear you.
They enjoy our program.
Thank you,
sir.
This is my first time of entering, calling, and my call.
You try.
Thank you very much, Oga Daniel, for keeping faith.
Talking about the youth.
Yes.
I watch your sister program this morning. I'm not happy for Cool TV.
Okay.
They bring one Obonga visitor there. Where the program they call and Crossfire.
Yes.
They don't allow the man talk at all, and the man they address Nigeria. I wonder if our youth they talk. Say because we get Oga Muhammad Buhari there and everybody they sing hallelujah. Things are not going right unless we want to deceive ourselves. The other day we hear say DSS go for our government house. Make them not surprise that one day DSS go come back to TV. They go do one while there. They go they cry. We Nigerians go see outside, go they watch them that time. Make we join mouth, talk waiting bad. Join mouth. If not waiting good, make we join mouth, talk waiting good. This country in our country, we not get where we they go. The way things they go on now. Now we youth, we don't, you know say now youth we they talk about.
Yes.
If we youth begin to sit down for fence, they say now hallelujah we won't sing. You know go help us, so you know go help us. Today now our media, our Oga Muhammadu Buhari not even trust them. We go here say go America, you go talk one thing. When you know people follow our media talk here. You go France, go talk another thing. These things are not, they are not going fine. See what the Senate president they face now. This man don't enter. 2-time governor of Kwara State. He entered Senate. Now that body knows say this man don't declare asset. Things are going on in this country.
Oga Daniel, thank you very much. You don't make very important points.
Thank you.
But it go dey very good make we emphasize say why we go dey talk good or bad. It dey very important say make we know say freedom of expression get
limit or
it get limit. It get the kind of things when we supposed to talk. We supposed to be constructive in our talk.
We could collect this call from Usman. Usman, they call us from Enugu. Good morning, Usman. Usman,
hey, Oga Usman from Enugu. But what are they talk? We say freedom of expression now right for everybody to use talk. But we suppose know say the kind things we they talk suppose they get limit. The reason why I talk and be say before person talk, he must be conscious of the fact say okay, we they live for society when get different people. People will be Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar, Ishekiri, Nupe, Efik, and the rest of them. And we get people when we say they be Christian, they be Muslim, they be African traditionalists, they be different religion. Our talk suppose they come first. From say okay we want good for Nigeria, not be say we want disgrace person, we want shame person, or want bring person down. You they talk your own, I they talk my own. As what your guy Chris they talk, I go talk my own, you go talk your own. But all of us go reason them together so that our country go feel move forward. The reason why we they get constructive discussions now say if you talk your point I talk my point, at the end of the day we go join the two together see am because now we get this country, it belong to you, it belong to me, it belong to all of us. If we come dey talk say okay now only like this we go do am or now only like this we go do am, the country go spoil. And then again we must know say if we dey talk make we identify okay see wetin good here, see wetin bad. If we do am like this, if it dey better so that all of us go enjoy am.
Yes, you're right, quite all right. And the major thing we say, just as to talk, Nigerians, in the minds of every Nigerian, I know say we'll get our own differences. We get well everybody they represent. But if we can't put well they represent first, now part of the major challenges that they get for this country, if we put well they represent first ahead of us, because say, no, make I first represent my people before I can't think of representing Nigeria as a whole.
Ethnic politics.
Now that time, issues will come the day. That's true. Why, at that point, you're going to see people, they take side with people who come from the region or from a particular place. And in the end, how then can we define, say, yes, this Nigeria, now we could collectively get them, and everything they do together, now for the sake of, say, my brother will there from the east, my sister will there from the north, my brother will come from the middle belt, and all that. Basically, what we should be looking at is a central way of making sure, say, things work well for everybody, rather than defining your own stay and all that. We get Chijioke. Chijioke is calling us all the way from Jos, Plateau State. Good morning, Chijioke. Chijioke, good morning. Hey, Chijioke, I beg, talk to us. Hey.
My brother, they greet.
Thank you very much, Chijioke. Good morning.
Well done for this in our program.
Thank you very much.
My brother, I want you, my own, I just only for one thing. For that, this is where they talk about issue of declaration of
assets.
Not be to declare be the problem, but what me they talk is these people, it's just like let me Yaradua. When Yaradua ruled this country before if he enter seat, he declare assets.
Yes.
Everybody see him open.
Yes.
But this one's where enter now. He take the how many days in office before they declare assets. They do that. And what me they turn up to declare. To declare asset, they declare asset. Let me tell you, this issue of corruption, what they fight, they're going to fight until 4 years before we will not see anything. Let these people come and do something where go benefit the masses, where go them enter. Understand? Not be to fight corruption. We will not say to fight corruption, they're good. But Let them do something. How many days in office that we never even see one impact where we don't see? When they say the masses where they work out for road, go see, where put them in, go see. But every day we dey hear for paper say, then they fight corruption, they collect money, they collect money. Waiting now, that thing we want job after 4 years now, so we will see the where we dey. Nigeria know the progress. My brother, I beg, we don't tire for this nation, I beg. Youth, make us stand up. It's time for us to stand up to fight for our rights. I beg.
Oga Chijioke, you don't make very, very important point. Thank you very much for this one.
Very much.
You don't drop for down.
Because basically, Chijioke, what Chijioke just talked, if you also look at, you go see say yes, over time we don't hear say our leaders want to fight corruption. Corruption fighting now something we don't start off right from when, right from 1999. People even leave the past government, but right from 1999. But then what is the whole essence of trying to fight the corruption if you know they see the whole results? You understand? Fighting corruption at least go make sure say it clean up the system. Fighting corruption go at least make sure say at least development at least will reflect in the country.
Make Oga Kunle from Kaduna tell us some of the ways where we say we feel fight this corruption.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Good morning, Shukuli.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
How are you?
We dey fine.
The issue where they discuss, in fact, they are very, very sensitive and very, very important issue. The issue is that, like youth, maybe involving youth in a government or this thing, is very, very, very important.
Okay.
Nobody can tell us that we don't have a youth, a very intelligent and
they capable, yes,
in this country.
Yeah.
Look at you there now. This program you are doing, you are using your brain. A lot of things, it's full of your brain, you're upstairs there. You are loaded, understand now? So nobody will tell you that you don't have something good that you can offer your country. Understand now? Go to many prostators, many organizations, you see their manager, young guys, understand now? And they are moving the organization forward, understand now? When you are talking about Nigeria youth and this thing, they are not serious. We have even 75% of Nigeria, they are very, very serious. Go to all these banks, all these organizations, understand? You meet Nigeria youth there. They are the ones that are moving the organization forward. They use their brain, they use their sense, understand now? So the old people, not just like analog and digital, understand now? It's just like which day I was watching the Contractor General, the new Contractor General of this immigration. Understand? I looked at the man. The man was not even under agile. If you tell the man to run, he cannot even run. Understand what I mean? So we need you to involve youth in the government in Nigeria. It's very, very important. Because where are we going? Are we going backward or we are moving forward? Understand now? We have many youths. They are very, very good, very intelligent in Nigeria, very intelligent youth that they can change this country. They can change a lot of things. They will don't, even if we don't give them maybe, but just at least involve at least, let's say 20% of youth in the government. Understand? It's very, very good. And again, do you know the problem we're having in this country? This one we said that this for me, this one is for me. Understand? We join three things together in Nigeria, which is religion and tradition and tribalism in Nigeria. That's the problem we are facing in Nigeria. Understand now? And again, if we are going to solve all these issues in Nigeria, understand now? We have to put sentiment aside.
Yes.
One. And again, we have all this maybe declaration of assets. What we need is good policy. Understand now? It's not by saying. If there's no policy, you are just saying it. You are saying it for nothing. Understand now? If you declare it for nothing. If there's no policy, even when you leave it there, nobody even bother to share. Because you leave your 4 years, another person don't even know who is coming.
In fact, we don't get your point, and then we want to say yes, your point. They very, very casual. You they call on you, say youth, hey, make we do it, make we get ourselves involved in politics, make we get ourselves involved in the activities of this nation, because we know a lot of youth say we say they get when it comes to upstairs, then they intelligent, where they do things out there. May they also come and also ensure say at least they chook everything they feel chook to ensure say yes, this government move and the country move forward. We get Tamuno. Tamuno is calling us all the way from the south region of Bayelsa. Good morning, Tamuno.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Tamuno, I beg, reduce the volume of your television. Make we feel hear you well.
Yes,
Talk to us today here. Hello, Tamuno.
Well, we go like appeal to our people when they call us, say, I beg, when you want call, just reduce the volume of your television so that the full Nigeria go hear you and hear the point when you get to make. Now you they talk up, so we all need to hear. You get one thing when Oga Prince from Owerri talk, when we say the thing touch me. He talk say, one of the major problems when we they face, that is the Nigerian youth now say, we not agree one learn. And learning dey very, very important for growth. If we shut our mind, say we no wan learn, na wahala. Oga Igo, all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukudi and Oga Okubi.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
I'm not getting alive today for my phone, so I can't get the topic.
Now, normal to talk over the week. Now, who they talk about? Now, just a review.
So, okay. No other new.
No new stuff. Yeah.
Since no people think I have the recap now, I'm going to tell our Nigerians and our youth say they hard working.
Okay.
This Nigeria where we dey. Now we get them.
Yes.
So anywhere we go, we come back. At the same Nigeria we see day. This Boko Haram wahala, I believe say one day it go finish and it go end. We not go hear am again. You know, say make we join together. Make we support anybody in this area of government so that I can not be your brother. Make we push this country forward. Thank you very much.
Oga Igo, thank you very, very much. Chukudi, make I also react to it.
But before you react, it go dey important. Say make we take small break to use calm our body down. When we come back, we will begin the review all the talk when we say everybody don't talk. One thing when they in line, when all of us don't talk today, when we feel join together and say nobody for Nigeria supports corruption. Everybody for Nigeria want make people when they represent us be true people, and everybody when don't call believe in the Nigerian youth. This country go better. We go come back now still as
it dey hot.
It dey hot. Welcome back to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And at the Ogbonge Democracy when they're on top of television, as it is hot, where we they talk all the issue when they affect us inside Obodo, Nigeria, big, small, man, woman, pikin, uncle or auntie, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. Ezugu Chukudi and Nkubi dey inside studio, and we dey discuss all the Ogbonge tori when we discuss this week. Nkubi, before we go break,
I want react to wetin Kunle talk. Kunle from Kaduna. Kunle talk say, look, say our youths, say at least we get enough youth to say if you look them well-defined people, we say give them any responsibility. They will feel run them. They will feel handle them. Give typical example. A lot of people will know. You understand? And we'll also look and say the last election, we see the involvement of youth.
That's true.
We see how well youth.
And Nigerian youth decide who win the election.
We see how well youth play out in this election. We also define the state where we did today. We also bring in this new government in place. But in as much as we also know say yes, inside the same midst of trying to at least define the youth, we also know so we get our own, the government also on their own part. No, they also try to do it and to integrate the youth. You understand? Inside the system.
No, but
hold on. You get where they carry the matter.
If the youths get power to use put person, we don't need wait for them to reintegrate us into the system.
Fine. We know say yes, issues. We get challenges at this point in time. But look also look a few appointments we don't see so far. We not go feel claim say yes, we don't see one particular youth. I doubt if you don't see any youth for the entire.
It depends on where you call youth.
Youth now we suppose know the range we they talk about now. No be people where we say you understand. But even at that will not say deprive us youth from not saying okay, in as Oga Buhari or Mr. President, see the role where we feel play out, see the role we don't play out so far. And for this reason, bear in mind say part of people they rule where they lead this country today, part of people where they decide the fate of this country today now youth. And for that reason, make you also know and place youth where they're supposed to for government. We get Oshobaba they call us from Enugu. Good morning, Oshobaba.
Yeah.
Good morning. Oshobaba, they hear us?
Good morning.
Yes. Would they fine? Would they raise your voice up?
Okay, this one a topic. I like this topic. Hello.
Thank you.
I thought they call for this program. The topic does a totally my man.
Okay.
So what I want to talk now about our youth, we say, for youth to make them penetrate.
Would they hear?
Hello?
Would they hear?
Continue.
Youth emancipation. Like that time when Baba Buhari entered government. The time when they do IKP. If I tell you to say, youth for make a mandate to say as soon as they enter government, if for make one youth when they are from the age of 5 years the minister, they will sign up. So now when they enter government,
Baba.
or youth affairs.
Okay.
You hear?
Would they hear?
I say calling for this corruption matter. As the Almighty Baba don't declare it. And,
the assets.
That's the way it goes, because you know the assets is getting scared for a cupboard. No be so?
Yes.
Because the papa where they have, they live well, or they show good example, or some of the children they go outside music. They will tell us, this is what that they but if papa they behave well, you see this go well.
Oga Oshobaba, thank you very much. We get the point when you dey try drop down, and we go emphasize say when we talk about leadership, we dey talk of everybody. We know they restrict them to one particular political party. Our leaders together suppose they do the same thing so that all of us go dey learn from them. Oga Chris from Calabar, time don reach for you to talk your own. We dey hear you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Chris.
Make I don't like and straight. I also want to say our leaders don't fail the youth. You see, when you look at very well, we don't recycle our leaders too much. They don't to inspire drugs for us. It don't reach time when youth go rise up. Use them will not be by gun, will not be by side. Use them by head. Say no, we don't want this thing. You see what they are doing for Guatemala, just on recent for Guatemala, when they use rise up against their president.
Yes.
But small corruption,
Hey, Oga Chris. Hey, and Oga Chris, they hit the... But we go complete what Oga Chris talk. For Guatemala na one country for inside this obodo the world. They talk say they don't see corruption. Oh, say sometimes corruption go just enter inside Keke Marua. They drive, they go. Inside canteen, they drink beer, everything. Now so the youths them can't rise up because they get very plenty youth population. They can't talk say this president when we say him and corruption, then they work side by side, they go pursue him and then pursue him from office and they no slap one single person. So with common sense, with all of us together as one, we go come up batting for inside this country. Oga, please call him back for the second time from Owerri. Good morning, sir.
Good morning again. I'm calling back from Owerri.
Good morning. Yeah.
Again, one important thing I want to say this morning.
Okay.
If our former leaders, our former president, and our former governor, this is when Nigerians they talk say they corrupt. If it is true, say they know they corrupt. May they come out openly and tell us what will be their assets before they enter office and their assets when they come out. May they come out openly and tell us. That will not make our mind come down. We know say they know really they corrupt. But if they not do so, I want to tell you, say, our former president, good luck, Obasanjo, all of them, they corrupt. If they may come out and tell us what will be their assets. Okay, goodbye.
Thank you very much for calling back, Oga Prince.
Oga Prince don't talk in your own mind. And he did very, you see, one thing they say, if we check the people when we say they've been the richest people for this world, people like Bill Gates, Carlos Slim Helu, Warren Buffett, and the rest of them, even Alhaji Aliko Dangote for this Nigeria here. One thing when they about them, they say that they manage their wealth. They know they flaunt them. If we get world or we get society when we say everything they normal, you don't need to drive 5 cars. You don't need to live for 20 houses.
If you replicate yourself into 5 places, they even believe now their own thought to enter yourself. They drive 5 cars. Even
very true.
Say, I mean, how is that possible?
Exactly.
But the thing is, just as we always they talk, or rather, if I will still insist, there are policies that needs to be strengthened. There are policies where we say we need to put on ground. Where we say, if these policies do on ground, and you see, say we can't just solve affirmative so strong about this policy. All these things we talk about, we know what they talk about.
Exactly.
People go just say, fear go even they catch anybody who wants to say, make I do this thing.
Very true.
You understand? But because of say there are no rooms for such policies to come into place, because of it, as a result of the corruption, we don't do anything. We don't eat so deep into the system. And that same corruption, as they talk now, what they also deprive some youth or probably capable youth from not getting themselves involved into government.
Very true.
Because now the whole thing where they really affect our country. But in as much as we talk all these things, we as Nigerians still we remain Nigerians. I will know that our voice no go ever fall.
Very
but
true.
They talk as Nigerians say this country is our own.
Very true.
Nobody get them.
Our
Nobody
people they talk say
estate at all.
Information is power. Information mean the thing where you know. What thing you know now you go make you know say this thing they bad, this thing they good. wetin you know na him go make you know say the same head wey God give us na him he give people wey dey obodo USA, obodo France, obodo Germany. The same information na him go make you know say things dey work for different countries wey dey inside this world. We no need anybody to come from heaven
then they take their
to
own
come help us. People dey travel out and then they see things as e dey work for other countries, and these things go fit work for inside this our country. So our people wey dey for us, we dey talk am in your own little way. Begin dey empower people with information. Tell your neighbor say things will work for this country if we do am right, and together as we dey spread this message, all of us go get one mind and we go demand one day say make this our country move forward. That one day now, the earlier we demand for am, the better for us. Until we come back again on Monday with another topic when they comot smoke. Una know say na the only democracy when they on top of television, because we dey talk am the way when the thing be, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi.
And my own name na Unkubo Team. On the one we will come back again.
Una bye bye.
Bye bye.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.